How to blur a backdrop of your picture in Luminar Neo. I already drag and drop this image to my catalog, so I just need to click on the image and then click Edit. Now we are in the editing mode. To blur the backdrop, we need to scroll down here all the way to Creative section, that's the one with pinkish like colors, and you will see blur option here. If I move the slider right now, I will blur the whole image. So we need to go to masking option first and try to mask out to blur only the backdrop here. We got several options. Let's try to use object select, the one that is powered by AI. First, AI scan my image and then I can kind of click on the objects I wanna use in this case. So that's this backdrop here. I see little gaps here and there, so I'm going to go back and also use the brush to give it some finishing touches with the brush, so I'm sure everything is nicely masked out. Okay, so I'm using a brush here to be sure that nothing is kind of outside my selection. Okay, I think that's precise enough. Now we can go back to adjustment and take a look. When I'm applying the blur again, I'm blurring only those masked part, those red parts. Okay, so with the blur of 40 pixels, I can go back to masking, and now I can even use this brush again, especially here around her hair, to make some final changes, some final touches. Sometimes if you've got very strong contrast, you can literally take out the mask by AI, but in my case, I need to a bit of human touch. You can say I need a bit smaller brush now, and I want to soften this area here around her curly hair, a very challenging thing to select, and here it is. So we managed to blur the backdrop and keep the foreground in focus using Luminar Neo. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.